What's going on, everybody? Watch this tutorial so you can learn how to add volume on this comb over using American Crew's matte clay, JRL's Forte blow dryer, and a Denman brush. Grab a fingertip amount of matte clay, disperse it through your fingers and palms, and disperse it through his damp hair. Blow dry upwards around the outside perimeter of the hairstyle and then proceed to the front and through the middle. Use my texture comb and hairspray to lock in the separation and added texture to his look. So as you can see, guys, the texture comb added a little separation to the front and to the sides. I made sure I got the volume I needed, but I still created that round shape, nice and smooth silhouette. Very smooth transition, very nice hard part. Very nice fade with some length on top. Executed to a nice fade with the beard nicely edged up.